Hi, Assalamualaikum to Dr. Abdul Rahman. My name is Adri Hafiz. Okay, so this evening I will do a simple presentation regarding the individual assignments. So for my individual assignments, I have selected an article called An Information Ethics Framework based on ICT platforms. This article has been written by John Hai Han, a professor in the Department of Computer Education at Jeonju National University of Education, South Korea. Okay, so now let's jump into the components within this article. Okay, so the main focus of the key component of this article is the discussion of artificial intelligence, AI, and robot technology. So as we all know, AI and robot technology is a modern technology, is an advanced technology that merge um, within this current era, which is the modern era, and the purpose of these technologies is to enhance the effectiveness in work. To be simplified, it means that these technologies were used to enhance the way things should be done, enhance how we conducting an activity, how we proceed with the procedure or process, and also the use of AI and robot technology also improve the lifestyle of society. Okay, so let's move on to the next key component within this article is a discussion about information ethics. So, so when we talk about information ethics, we should know the definition first, the definition of ethics, the definition of information ethics. So as we all know, ethics is a morality that we influence by several aspects such as religions, culture, society, community surrounded. And when we talk about information ethics, we talk about how the morality of individual when they um, use an information, when they amplify an information to other kind of thing. So information ethics has been discussed within this article as it related to the next component. Alright, so move on to the next component is ICT platform. So um, yeah, the title itself says a framework based on ICT platform. So the types of ICT platform were discussed within this article, which is computer device, intermediary platform, and physical computing device. So talking about computing device, as we all know, um, the system of computing that related to the internet. And then when we're talking about intermediary platform is a platform which is a connection between a physical and non-physical electronic platform. And the lastly, physical computing device is we're talking about hardware. Legitly about hardware, the computer, laptop, phone, tablet, and other kind of hardware that we use in this modern world. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, which is related to work. So within this article, the author itself also includes several words, password, where it discusses a related topic to the information ethics, related topic to the topics of ICT platform, and etc. So let's move on to the next key component discussed within this article is a proposed conceptual framework. So based in this article, there's a two type of framework discussed, which is the first is horizontal view of information ethics by ICT platform, and the second one is overhead view of information ethics by ICT platforms. So tons of discussion we discuss within this article, but in order to simplify it, the horizontal view of information ethics by ICT platform. This framework discuss about the relationship of ICT components, which is we got AI, we got robot, we got cyber, which is the internet itself, and humans. So this framework analyze the connection, the relationship between these elements, And then now we're talking about the second framework, which is overhead view of information ethics by ICT platform. So this framework is more specialized, which is it's also discuss the relationship that has a connection with the AI ethics, which is we will discuss it next. So for the next key component is application of AI ethics. So as we talked earlier, the main components of this article, which is discussion about artificial intelligence, AI, and methodologies. So the authors want to point out the application of AI ethics in this current world, and the possible problems, possible downside of the use of AI. And also the author come out with the ethics that possibly can use in order to neutralize a problem and issues regarding AI applications. Okay, and the last component, which is ethics of ICT platform. So basically this is not the last component, but yeah, we just go through the flow. So ethics of ICT platform. So there's several kind of ethics for ICT platform, which is listed in this sketch notes. We have information ethics, as mentioned earlier, and ethics that related to the usage of information. And then we got cyber ethics, ethics that related to the use of internet. And then we got AI ethics, and ethics that related to the usage of artificial technology. And then computer ethics, ethics that related to the use of computer system or even the computer hardware. Not even computer, you can say about a phone, laptop, tablet, any kind of technologies that similar to the computer. And lastly, robot ethics, the ethics that discuss that related to the usage of robot technologies. Okay, basically this is all the components within this article. So for conclusion, what I can say after analyze this article, the author discuss want to point out, the main is to point out a framework that can be used to evaluate the ethical value within ICT platform. As we all know, the world have changes to digital, which is when we talk about digitals, we have cyber, AI, computer, robot, kind of that stuff. And then this article want to discuss possible ethics that can be implemented within those components. So I think that's all for this simple presentation, and thank you so much.